What are you waiting for? Whatever you do in life, do it so well, so good that no one's living, dead, yet to be born can ever do it better. You must remember that you have to believe in yourself. You got to be willing to get up and do something with your life each and every day. In the African nation, there's a gazelle and there's a lion. The lion knows that he has to outrun the slowest gazelle in order for him to eat and to survive. The gazelle wakes up every morning realizing that he must be able to outrun the fastest lion. The moral of that story is that you must be willing to get up and keep moving. You got to be willing to run each and every day, giving it your best every single day. Every day that you wake up. I learned a story years and years ago, and the teacher told me a story about a young man that grew up in a neighborhood that everybody was really kind to each and every one. But one day this particular man had a donkey, and he was walking along the street. And as he's walking along the street, the side of the road gave way, and the donkey and the man fell in a ditch. Well, the man and the donkey fell in the ditch, and they struggled and struggled to get out of the ditch, but they could not succeed. And therefore, people in that particular town on that particular day changed their attitude. They began to pick at the individuals. They began to call them names. In fact, they began to throw stones in the ditch. Well, they threw so many stones, and the donkey and the young man was able to climb their way out. Why did I share that with you? Because you have to truly believe that you can do anything that you set your mind to. But you must believe that you must get up and do something each and every day. So every day that you wake up with the desire, you wake up with the determination that today is the day I will do something. I will keep moving. I will make my day a success.